Security. One of the greatest needs of mankind, a need that has remained unchanged since the beginning of time and will not change in the future for their loved ones and themselves. Kale Kilit has been developing solutions for this need since 1953. Kale Kilit provides security and peace to living spaces across the world with its superior technology by developing and manufacturing the best, the highest quality, and the most cutting-edge products. Kale Kilit manufactures locks, cylinders, steel doors, fire doors, steel safes, and door-window systems at its large production base in Çerkezköy, where it moved in 2016. Besides utilizing the state-of-the-art technology, internationally accepted manufacturing standards, the high capacity installed, constant improvement and development work, strong R&D and technology investments, and its diverse range of security products, Kale Kilit also blazes a trail as the sole integrated security solution provider of Turkey and the region. Every day, tens of thousands of products are created in this factory, equipped with the latest technology, packed with care and shipped all over the world. The industry's first certified R&D center works constantly to ensure security and peace and develop the best and most cutting-edge products and services in the industry. The R&D center is one of the most important factors that make the company a global player, in addition to its significant contribution to production quality. The success and diversity in manufacturing and R&D is just one part of Kale Kilit's business as the sole integrated security solution provider in Turkey. Kale Security Systems, established in 2013, has brought a new dimension to the concept of integrated security service. Kale Kilit addresses the different needs of both the Turkish and international markets. Kale Kilit, one of the first and most powerful industrial enterprises in Turkey, is an important contributor to Turkey's development and progress with its ongoing investments and experience of more than half a century. The company strives for superior quality, creating a sense of trust among all its stakeholders, and providing product and service guarantees since 1953. It is one of the biggest and the most recognized brands, with 98% brand recognition in Turkey. The company headquarters, located at Vad, Istanbul, includes a concept store of 450 square meters and offices of 10,000 square meters. It has been designed to reflect the high standards of this international brand and its valuable employees. Being a world-class corporation, Kale Kilit has succeeded in building up its employment power of approximately 1,500 people, with a good balance between female and male employees. Kale Kilit was established at a small workshop in 1953. The dreams of its founder, Sadık Özgür, went beyond the walls of that workshop. After attaining success in Turkey, it became the first Turkish company to export locks. Kale Kilit grows together with the Turkish industry and supports its development. Shaping the technology rather than following it, Kale Kilit is one of the top 500 industrial enterprises in the country. Having exported to more than 100 countries up to now, Turkey's trustworthy brand is proud to be a significant contributor to the export power of Turkey. Kale Kilit continues on its journey, aiming for the stars with the confidence brought by its power and success in the past. Developing the latest and best products and services in its class, contributing to the development of Turkey and helping to increase employment opportunities, protecting a broader range of living spaces as a global brand, are the key objectives of this long-running journey. Kale Kilit. Protect your loved ones.